Itaipava Farm is a careful transformation of an 80-year-old stable from the São João de Caraí farm in Itaipava, nestled in the Fluminense Mountains. Rather than simply renovating the structure, the project sought to convert this former agricultural building into a contemporary country house while preserving the geography, memory, and identity of the place. The owner wished to update the property without erasing its original structure. This allowed the program to be reorganized with precision. The former food pavilion became the barbecue area, the stalls were transformed into living spaces and kitchen, and the layout of 4 suites emerged directly from the rhythm of the old stables. At the center, the swimming pool acts as an open courtyard, recalling monastic and Moorish traditions where water, circulation, and silence define space. A key principle guided the intervention: new additions should not compete with what already existed. The bedroom volume simplifies the previous roof composition, creating continuity between old and new. Openings follow a logic inspired by Portuguese architecture, more restrained in private rooms and wider in communal areas, allowing the house to open to the landscape while maintaining a sense of shelter. Minimal stainless steel frames crafted in the owner's workshop introduce a subtle contemporary layer without disturbing the overall sobriety. Materials were chosen for their suitability to rural life. Clay-textured walls, rough outside and smoother inside, emphasize the transition between exterior and interior. Floors alternate between wood and pink cement bricks, ensuring durability and visual continuity. A deep blue corridor inspired by Luis Barragan becomes the only chromatic accent where color acts as both passage and pause. Furniture plays an organizing role in the interiors. Many pieces were designed by Lucas and crafted locally as functional elements that structure the space. In the living room, Concha armchairs by Carlo Hauner and Martin Eisler sit by the fireplace over floors made with bricks from Malaria Elementum. Works by Zainin Caldas and Lina Bobardi, along with pieces of popular art, reinforce a dialogue with Brazilian material culture. Itaipava Farm expresses a design ethic of restraint and sensory comfort. Social areas are generous yet calm, while the suites remain intimate and softly lit. The house does not impose itself on the landscape. Instead, it extends the terrain, respects the memory of the site, and offers a quiet retreat in the mountains.